Hello, hello. Okay, so I was in the middle of curling my hair and I figured let's make a video about it. So I just used a 2-inch curling wand. I, grab a section, I clap it down, I hold, you let it go. Like, pretty simple. Anyway, but the point is, a lot of us feel like we don't curl our hair perfectly or properly, and I'm here to tell you, you don't need to. This is like the base. Yes, it's good, obviously, like if you're doing like bridal styling or whatever, to have very clean sectioning and blah, blah, blah. But for most of us, this is totally fine. So I'm going to show you how this kind of becomes like our full styling, and we make that like va-va-voom, the final look, all that good stuff. So first tip, you're gonna let your hair cool. Think of your hair as like almost like having muscle memory. It has curl memory. So when it gets hot, we make the hair really malleable and we can mold it into a shape. Then it needs to cool in place so it has time to set and cool, and then it actually keeps its curl. So the next tip is know your hair. Some of us can take a friggin' like boar bristle brush and just go for it, and our hair becomes fluffy and lovely. A bunch of us also can like barely touch our hair and it falls. So I would say first tip, know your hair. For me, I just like to start with a nice like kind of just fluffing it up, and I just want that barely there kind of blowout look, so this works for me. You're also pretty safe with a wide tooth comb, so I just like to brush out my waves or curls. All I was trying to do was get some roundness in the hair, so that's perfect. I'm gonna take my bangs out. Oh, look how floofy they are. We love to see it. And if your hair allows you, a hair flip does wonders. It really just shakes it up. You get lots of volume. When you have this amazing volume, texture spray, my best friend, my favorite product ever. I lift the hair and I push I spray the texture spray into the hair. So it's actually like lifting, and it will remain more separate, tousled, and textured looking, like so. I also really like root lifting powder. So I apply a little root lifting powder right at the front of the head, especially just for the bangs, like so. And you can kind of just rub that in, and it just immediately will lift the roots. Like, look at that. Amazing. I always say this, but if you have nails, these are your best friggin' hair tools, I swear to God. So I'll just kind of finger comb my hair into place. I get that volume. I shake it up however I like. And then I'll just take my spray and spray where. And just like that, we've totally transformed our hair with a few techniques, a few products. Honestly, like 5 minutes from curl to this, and I hope you guys enjoyed.